Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, man. Bring y'all that good content, man. We about to do today, man. You see the title. We about to install this side skirt vinyl, or the side vinyl, however you want to call it. The side vinyl is gonna be a black side vinyl. Looks clean. It's not all the way through, but it looks clean though. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go like and share my videos. Also, smash the subscribe button as well and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. Let's go. And then you're gonna need, just make sure your car's clean, or just go over it a little bit. Where you're gonna install your vinyl, side skirt vinyl. I already washed and actually clay bar compound and polished my car, so I'm just gonna go over like this real quick. It's not dirty. So we're gonna do that. That's all we gotta do. If your car is dirty, just make sure you use soap and water and get that up. Use like a little credit card or something like this, something to use pretty much something you use to tint your car windows or something, but this is what you're gonna really need. it up for the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below, man. I did it differently than I did it on this journey, so go watch my video on my journey, installing my side skirts, vinyls. But other than that, man, once again, let me know in the comment section below what y'all think.
They used to laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sing now.